I was swinging through the trees, loving the evening breeze, when it occurred to me, in time this all will cease. Then I thought for a minute of the life I've been given, and I wondered if monkeys go to heaven. Is there a heaven for monkeys? And is it full of trees? And is my mom and dad there? Can someone tell me please? Sometimes this life's so crazy. What does it all mean? I love this life I'm living, but I gotta know, do monkeys go to heaven? Is there a heaven for monkeys? And is it full of trees? And is my mom and dad there? Can someone tell me please? Sometimes this life's so crazy. What does it all mean? I love this life I'm living, but I gotta know, do monkeys go to heaven? I just gotta know, do monkeys go to heaven?